China's President Xi Jinping has faced many a challenge before, but none bigger than this coronavirus. It threatens to derail his economy and damage his country's reputation. Did China respond too late? Did it underestimate the seriousness of this crisis and lose precious time? China is facing and fighting all kinds of questions here. It is now unleashing a publicity drive to keep that image intact. This report tells you how.
These images were tweeted by a senior official of China's Foreign Affairs Ministry. Chinese people covered in face masks, waving cheerfully. It shows them happy with the government's efforts to fight the coronavirus. Critics have dismissed this as propaganda. But China isn't dissuaded. It may have failed to control the coronavirus, but it wants to tame the narrative. Chinese diplomats are working overtime to win online. Multiple tweets and posts are pushing just one message: all is well. The situation in China is quote-unquote under control. China has deployed its top officials on the front lines of this online war of perception. Chief among them is Zhao, who has squarely blamed the US of scaremongering. In a series of tweets, he accused US politicians of using the virus to attack China, taking names like American Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross. Ross incidentally had said that the virus would help return jobs to the US.
So I think it will help to accelerate the return of jobs to North America, some to US.
And Zhao called it disgraceful and immoral, asserting that nobody should underestimate China's ability to fight a public health crisis, and castigating the US for its poor response to the H1N1 flu virus outbreak back in 2009. And Zhao is not alone. His colleagues in the establishment are jumping into the fray as an army. The list includes China's ambassador to India, Sun Weidong. He has been tweeting non-stop, quoting state-owned Xinhua news agency and People's Daily of China. Updates about nearly 900 patients having recovered and being discharged from hospitals. And the ambassador to Pakistan, Yao Jing, he assured that the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPEC, projects will not be affected by the virus. China's top diplomat in the United Kingdom, Liu Xiaoming, met with Prime Minister Boris Johnson. He also tweeted about a press conference he is set to hold on Thursday, February 6th, asking people to follow him live starting 11 a.m. London time. Even in South Africa, the Chinese ambassador tweeted an article by Chinese mouthpiece China Daily. This is about China's success in public health crisis and the lessons the world can learn from it. Basically, they're all saying the same thing: how amazing China is at handling this crisis. This is a radical shift from the times of the SARS outbreak. 2 decades back, China was in denial of the pandemic. Not this time. Information flows in the digital age. So China is going all guns blazing to turn the tide of the negative narrative.
To let you know that we are all with you during this time and to keep fighting.
Even American pop singer celebrity Katy Perry is in the mix. Bureau Report. WION World is One.